Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I got my Try Beauty box in the mail today. There was a little mix up with the shipping, so it took a little bit longer to get it to me. This is what the box looks like. Now, they don't include the card anymore. They're making some changes to be more environmentally friendly, and one of the changes is they're not going to have the card in there, and then they're also going to get rid of these peanuts, which I fully support because the peanuts are the biggest pain. And I do usually save them and donate to a shipping store in my hometown, but I don't want to trek these across the country because, yeah, that's just a lot. So the first thing in here is from Cargo Cosmetics. This is a blush in the shade Key Largo. And oh wow, this is really big. All of my other Cargo blushes and stuff are super tiny. Oh my goodness. That is super bright. Oh my goodness. Okay. Swatch just a little bit. Okay, it does have quite a bit of presence with that one little swatch. So that is a very bright blush. Grabbing my little makeup wipes. This one will be used sparingly and probably only on the weekends, just because that's not really a color I could wear to work. I would look a little clownish, I think. All right, the next thing in here is a Bella Pierre HD setting spray. So I guess you would probably shake it. It looks like I got peanuts all over it. I wish I knew how much these were, because I know Bella Pierre is sold in Ross a lot of the time, and TJ Maxx and stuff, but I never have seen it anywhere else, so I don't really know what it's like, what the price on it is. Then we have something from Cass Cosmetics, which I haven't heard of before. Oh, it says it's from Ruby May. Okay, that's interesting because it's called Cass Cosmetics, but it's distributed by Ruby May. Yeah, my goodness. All right, so this looks like a lip gloss, Luxe Lip Treatment, and this is in the shade Milky Way. I'm not going to swatch this. I never reach for my lip glosses, and I've decided that instead of opening them and then just letting them sit and go to waste, anytime I get one from now on, I'm going to pass it along to a friend or put it in a giveaway, something, just because I never use them. All right, the next thing in here is from The Balm. This is Priming is Everything Neutral Eyeshadow Primer. So it looks like you stick your finger in there to do that. The thing that worries me about this is that it's going to dry out a lot faster than what I have in the tube. So hopefully by the time I finish the tube that I'm currently working on, it will still be fresh and I can use it. All right, the last thing in here is something that I did choose. They did do customization this month for the first time, so you could choose which palette you got from Ruby May. So it's kind of funny because we actually technically got two things from Ruby May, even though one is a different company. So I picked the Vibes palette, and oh my goodness, this is a lot brighter than I was thinking it was. It's very pinkish. So you have those 8 colors. We're gonna swatch them all. Ooh, I dug a little too deep into that glow one. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay. So, the pink one was very stiff and it went on a lot better. The first two that were really smooth did not show up nearly as much, but that glow, oh my goodness. That's like a little crazy. I have to clean my hands really fast. I literally just took my jeans off of the hanger from the wash and now they're covered in glitter already. All right, we're gonna swatch that bottom row next. I'm going to be more gentle as I swatch them because that one was a little crazy. I should have cleaned off this hand, but oh well. Oh wow, those are gorgeous. All of the shimmers are really beautiful. I actually kind of wish I was wearing one of them on my eyes today instead of my Huda palette. All right, so that is what those all look like. Now, you could buy the other two palettes for a discount, and that's what I did. So I actually not only got the Vibes in my box, but I ordered Mood and Brights. And these are all a little intense. I'm going to tell you that right now. So this is Brights. And of course we're gonna swatch this one too. So those are the first four. Wow, okay. That's what they look like. This one's swatching a little better. I don't know if it's because I think I might have had a little of the makeup remover wipe still on my back of my hand, but those went on a lot brighter than the last set. This one seems to only have two shimmers, the purple and the gold. Oh, that purple's really pretty. All right, so that's what they all look like. I'm actually pretty impressed. I don't know how much I'm gonna use these because like I never reached for my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, but there's definitely something there, that's for sure. And then the final palette that they had is the Moods palette, or Mood. The other two have S's on the end, this one doesn't, which is a little confusing. And this is what it looks like. It once again has 8 shadows. This one is like the Vibes palette, so there is only a couple mattes, oh my gosh, and the rest are all shimmers. So far so good. Those are going on pretty good. I'm not hating on them. I think I paid $23 for both of them, so they were like $12 a piece if you bought them as a set. And you could buy all 3 or you could buy just 2. So that's what I did. I got the one in my box and then I bought the other 2. So that is what they all look like. That is a very lovely rainbow going on right there. But overall, I think I'm pretty impressed. Tribe is $34.99 every 2 months, but they do charge shipping, so it usually ends up being $39.99 when I get charged on my card. You can pause it, which is nice. So I had paused it for a while, and then when I saw that you could choose the palette and they looked pretty good, I decided to rejoin, especially because I was just gonna cancel and they gave me an extra deal. So I got $10 off my box. I will put a link down below so that you can use my referral code, and then I get some points that I can use. I don't know on what, but you get points. So if you're interested, look for that. I think if I can find a discount code, I'll put that down below as well. Let me know your thoughts on this box. I hope you are all having a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.